About Temperature by Alison Ouch. Physical Science, All About Temperature by Alison Ouch. Table of Contents. What is temperature? How a thermometer works. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Temperature facts. Make a thermometer. Glossary, internet size, and index. What is temperature? Have you ever been outside on a hot summer day? If so, you know about temperature. Temperature tells us how cold or hot something is. How a thermometer works. We use a thermometer to measure temperature. A thermometer's numbers and lines stand for degrees. The symbol also stands for degrees. In the thermometer is a liquid. As the liquid warms, it expands and moves higher up the tube. As the liquid cools, it shrinks and drops lower. Over here we have some hot boiling water, so we can see the liquid get warms and expands and moves higher in the tube. Over here we have some ice cubes, so we can see that the liquid gets cool and it shrinks to the lower part of the thermometer. So we can compare both of them. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius and Fahrenheit are two ways to measure temperature. In the Celsius, the C scale, water freezes at 0 degrees and the water boils at 100 degrees. So over here, the water has froze. And over here we have some boiling water. In the Fahrenheit, the F scale, water freezes at 32 degrees. The water boils at 212 degrees. To compare scales, water freezes at 32 Fahrenheit degrees and 0 Celsius degrees. Boiling water boils at 212 degrees. Over here we have our nurse taking the little girl's temperature. Temperature facts. Temperature helps us measure important things. Most people have a body temperature of 98.6 Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. A higher temperature can mean illness. So we have to watch out about body temperature, because if it's too high, that means that there's something wrong with us. Some penguins. Some places are too cold for people to survive outside. In Antarctica, the temperature was once measured at 128 Fahrenheit below zero, negative 98 degrees Celsius. So we see how the penguins live on Antarctica. So we have a desert. Let's find out. Some places get very hot. In 1922, the Sahara Desert reached 136 Fahrenheit, 58 degrees Celsius. It was a very hot air temperature ever measured. So we have the Sahara Desert over here. Okay, so these are the steps that we have to follow if we want to make a thermometer. So these are the items we need. Then these are the steps that we have to follow. Then, ta-da, we have it. We have our glossary. So we have our vocabulary words. And these are the internet sites where you can learn more about temperature. The end.